it with me. Go. Service is taking action to create value for someone else. Does that apply to your job? Does it apply to everybody's job? Does it work in every industry? Does it work inside and outside the company? Yeah. If you have kids, teach it to them. They're not going to teach it to them in school. Now, we also learned that service excellence is taking the next step up to create more value for the someone else that you serve. And a service excellence culture, which is what we're going to talk about now, is what you get when everybody in the organization understands this and comes to work to do it. What does that mean? It means that no one comes to work and says, I'm just here to do my job. Yeah, you're right. You are here to do your job, but what's the purpose of your job? Not just to take action, right? It's to create value, and that's what everybody else is there for as well. When people come to work knowing that, then the focus is on the other people in life, the other people in this world, and that's what contributes to making the world a better place. Now, we learned already the 6 levels of service. Do you remember how to do those? Can we do that together? Okay, what's down at the lowest level? If you break a service promise, put your hands together like handcuffs and go. If you just do the bare minimum, that's what? Basic. If you hit the SLA, cross your arms, what is that? Expected. Do it the way somebody would like you to do it. It's what? Come on, show me your shoulders. Go. Desired. Something better than expected can be what? And all the way at the top is? All right, except it's not unbelievable. 1, 2, 3, go. So how are we going to do on this last session of the day? Well, what level do you want? Right? I mean, turn to your partner right now, because this last session of the day, I'm going to teach a lot. I'm going to pour it on, but it also matters what you do with your partner. And some of you are sitting with your partner like this going, what do you think? If your partner said unbelievable, you are the someone else for them, and they are the someone else for you. So you got to commit yourself to creating the unbelievable, like I'm going to create it from my side to all of you. You got to create it for each other. Yeah?
Thanks for watching this video. Your dedication to serving better and caring more makes the world a better place for everyone. For more uplifting ideas, practical insights, and free resources, please subscribe now.